I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get.
Alright, good morning everyone. How are you guys doing today? Alright, let me get my Zoom started here for my VIP here.
Recording in progress.
Good morning, sunrise.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house don't need no floor.
We got this support here on GJ. Resistance here that needs to be broken.
See my little tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Family so lit, they say we should make it yo.
Morning.
Good morning.
Don't do that. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah. It's just me and the fam.
Good morning, King. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, King. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's my thought on gold? Right now, gold is in this range. Now, if we break below 1944.52, we could continue driving down. But also, you gotta pay attention to this demand that we have here. Pay attention to that. So we could see a rejection of this demand here, and price could push back up from there. Taking a look at gold here. Right now, it's just a waiting game. We wait for London Open. All right, we wait for London Open. Good morning, Champak.
Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. To the end.
Good morning, Matthias.
If you spend, then I spend. All on you.
By analysis of GJ is still bullish. On the higher time frame, GJ is still bullish, and overall here on the lower time frame here, GJ was still bullish as well. So if GJ can break above 174.436, then we should see a bullish continuation. But as far as what I'm looking for, as of right now, it will be buys. Sunrise, thank you. Can you put that in the Discord? Good job. That's very nice. Yes.
Good morning, King.
Good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, King.
That's good.
Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been taught to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss. I feel like I chew. Wake up, I stretch. Then I eat my food. My food, that's you. You should know that. My boo from the bottom where the flow at. Came from studio apartments, no room in it. Now it's a house with a little welcome doormat. I wanna go on a ride, you wanna ride. Always be on my side, and that's for life. Compliment on my flaws, like that's alright. They all want what we have, and that's fine. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless.
Keep dropping, NAS. Keep dropping.
Oh, you're in SL?
Yep. I'm in from 14,421.
You took break and retest or supply?
Break retest. Yeah.
Where did you take it? You took it here? Hold on.
Oh no, this was New York.
Ooh.
14,421.
Damn. You've just been trading your stop loss since then?
No, I just went to sleep.
Damn. Sheesh. You're killing it over there.
I've only got like 20% left, but I'm gonna hold this 20 until it goes down another couple thousand.
Let me see. I mean, you might find trouble here though. You see, looking to the left, you see we've rejected here multiple times.
Yeah.
So we might do the same thing again. But if we break that, then sheesh, this thing has more potential.
It's a good thing I went to sleep, otherwise I would have taken profit too early. It's like just put it at break even, go to sleep, wake up. It's like, oh Jesus, 150 points up.
Yeah, I've done that before too, and as soon as I woke up, I just closed it. Because it's like once you move your stops to break even and at least taking partial once, especially if you've taken like 80 to 90% off, like you can leave the rest to run till shit, wherever.
Yeah.
And sometimes you just be in the trade all day.
It's a good one, Wall. I'm holding. Beautiful.
Yeah, that was a good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. That's what we've been trying to tell you, Sophia. Like, once you move your stuff to break even, like, you ain't got nothing to worry about anymore.
Yeah.
You know,
I,
just take most of your profit out and leave the rest.
yeah, I actually started holding since last week. And it's been working out very well because even I did gold. I left gold yesterday.
Yeah, I remember that.
Not during the session though. Something I took prior to market closing, prior to 5. Even though the swap is ridiculous. Goodness gracious. It's like 1-to-1 for swap, to be honest. And I left it there for the buys. And my goodness, the buys was beautiful on gold. I was over here just jumping, screaming by myself, like woohoo! Carrying. Oh my goodness, you saw the pump and gold? It was beautiful, beautiful. As a matter of fact, I had one left for this morning, and I woke up and it went down a little, but it didn't matter though because I had capitalized off gold significantly last night. So I just closed it out. Like the minute I got up, I looked at it. I'm like, okay, and I closed it right out. So yeah, sometimes you could really catch some stuff while sleeping.
Yeah, I was gonna take these buys and this candle and send it to you guys, but I'm like, nah. I said I'm not trading Asian session anymore, so don't let me start now. So I didn't take it.
Yeah, well, it was good. It
I would
was good.
have gotten out at these highs though, because structure on the 5 minute we're still in the downtrend, higher time frame we're still in a downtrend. So I'll just have taken it to 1946.58.
Let me see if I
Oh
still have
man,
my
that's super
chart.
early.
Huh?
Oh, that's super early.
This bar here?
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
time wise.
Yeah, it was damn, what time was that?
I'll show you. I think I did my chart.
I think it was pre-Asian. Yeah,
Oh,
it was a
time was
pre-Asian session.
I'm gonna
It was like an hour before Asian session opened.
let's see which chart is okay. So,
You have amazing entries. Usually when you enter, it's like massive candle.
yeah.
The thing is, that's why I love to have my entries like as soon as we start crossing like maybe it's a minor resistance or a major resistance here on the 5 minute. That's why I like my entries right there because if a candle is breaking above a resistance, especially when it is supply and demand setup, usually it should just continue driving. So most of the time, that candle that drives above that resistance or below would be an engulfing candle.
Oh, that reminds me. Don Vo.
Look at this
Man,
candle.
he must have gotten destroyed.
Yeah.
And then it went straight back down. Jeez, brutal.
Wow, look at
For example, look at this gold. Now, look, we have this support here. This is a higher time frame support, and you have your 5 minute time frame support right here. Now you see the candle that closed below this major support here. You see it's bigger than the previous candle. So this candle is an engulfing candle. So usually when the candle is breaking structure, usually you have candles like this that engulfs. And even though gold is in a downtrend, we could see gold pushing back up here today. Especially if we do reject this demand, I think gold is going to push up. Now, can we break 1947? If that happens, if we break 1947, then we're going to see gold going bullish today. And then we might fall,
4
though, in New York.
in New York. 4 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 in New
We'll see what happens.
I'm gonna post that king, the one that I took yesterday,
Oh, okay.
so you could see it.
Oh, did you guys see the homework I sent to you guys on Discord?
Oh yeah, I did. Thank you.
Oh
Thank-
yeah.
Oh yeah, homework. All right, so
Don't forget, everyone has to submit it on Saturday.
Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Homework. All right. Where should I post it? Trade ideas?
Testimonials is fine.
Testimonial, yeah. Okay, thanks. I always forget where to put them.
Let's get 100 likes, guys, before London open. We need 82 more, and we have 160 plus people in here, so that definitely means some of you haven't liked the stream.
Uh-oh. There it is. I posted it.
Nice. Just reject this higher time frame one.
Let me count the pips on it. I was killing it last night. That was right after market open. 5. I got out somewhere though around maybe 40 pips.
So, very quick, let me mention this real quick. Now, I don't care whatever time frame you're trading on. When you see, now we're on the 5 minute, of course, but this happens on all time frames. When you see a setup like this that we're looking at right now, where gold is currently at right now, you look to the left right here, you can see we pushed up, we broke a previous highs, right? We broke a previous high, so we broke this high, we broke this high. Now, since gold decided to reject here, right, you should know that, okay, this push up to the upside here, we've not had a higher low, right? We do not have a higher low currently right now. So for gold to continue pushing up, we should know that, okay, it has to create a higher low for gold to continue pushing up. Now, if we break this high here, then we should have a new highs. But right now we have a higher high. Right now we could just be creating a higher low here for gold to continue pushing up.
Would you just wait for it to retrace to take the sell? Would you like not even consider the buy?
I will consider the buy if I have at least a 1-to-1.
Okay, yep.
Because we could continue bullish and we could continue bearish. Two things here. We could just be creating a higher low for price to continue pushing up, or we could be creating a new lower low here, right? And then we might get like a 50% retracement, maybe reject the supply here to create a lower high for price to continue, pushing down. Or we could even, when we reject this supply, we could come back down, create a double top, push up, come back down, and then push back up. Make sense?
Yep. Sometimes it gets confusing because you see like a big push up, but then you also see a big push down. So then it's like, which way are we really going?
That's why you gotta, mark those, supply and demand zones. Combine it with support and resistance. Identify the market structure on the higher time frame, and then that will help your decisions on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, I know we bearish, so I already know that we have a higher chance of gold continue falling. But then you also have to understand that every session is different. That's why you see that sometimes you'll be in a buy on gold, for example, and then come New York session, we just fall during New York session. And sometimes you could buy during London and then just continue buying during New York session. So every session is different. So you can have your own bias, your own analysis, you can do all that, which is great. At the end of the day, you have to wait for the market, for price to tell you what it's gonna do, and then you execute. That's it. With all your bias, if it was so easy, with all the bias we'll be doing, all the freaking analysis, we should be winning 100% of the time. There have been a lot of times where you have a bias, you do your analysis and all that, you say, you know what, I think gold should buy. But at the end of the day, gold will be like, nope, I'm not buying, I'm selling. You just gotta wait for price to show you what she's gonna do, and then you execute.
Man, GJ did us dirty yesterday. It went to my TP that I had originally set after stopping us out.
Yeah, she did.
Ah.
And look, gold too. I mean, I'm happy she gave us at least 12 pips, but then after that, she just went up like freaking 70 pips or so. It happens. We're not gonna catch big moves like we did yesterday during London all the time.
Oh man, it's 100 pips for gold. Went straight up.
It was 100?
Yeah, it's 100.
Yeah. We could have called the order because I would have had a TP too if he didn't stop us out. As it went back up to, let's see. Oh wow! So this was where we would have got out at, right here, because she broke the highs at 1966, broke the highs and made a fake out, and then she just dropped from there. Like you got no supply set up here from 1970 all the way to freaking 1957. You had no supply set up until here. Until over here and right here. Previously you had no supply set up, which happens. She dropped massively. I mean, we made money on gold, but we got stopped out, except for GJ. Even if we didn't move our stop loss on GJ, because the initial stop loss was like 15, but I said let's just move our stop loss up a little bit just to manage risk, and we ended up losing 8 because he would have stopped us out eventually if we had left it.
Yeah.
But then she eventually did push up. And she didn't get back to the second demand zone either.
Yeah, it just rejected in the middle.
Yeah, and created a new one. Yeah, that happens too. Just like this, buys over here, the pre-agent session on gold. See, we pushed up. Right, so we pushed up here. Nice aggressive buys, push up. Now we should have came back to this demand here, but we never did. We just rejected halfway and then boom. Never came back to the demand and just continued pushing up. So sometimes you could see that price might not push back to a demand zone. That's why I still combine it with a break and retest as well. Because sometimes price will just reject off of a minor resistance, major resistance, minor support, major support, depending on the position you're looking to take, and not get back to the demand or supply, and then just starts going your way. So it's good to combine both. If gold is going to start falling again, we should not break above this high. That's how, that's above this supply here. That's how you know that, okay, gold should continue falling. Plus right now on gold, if we go to the higher time frame, if this 1 hour candle closes bearish, there's a higher probability that gold is going to continue falling. But if this candle closes, should flip bullish, then there's a higher chance of gold continuing bullish. Because right now, if this candle closes bearish, right, we really do not have a support, because when you're talking about support and resistance, for you to have a resistance and a support, I say this all the time, you need to have a bearish and bullish candle side by side, then you have a resistance and you get a support. Right now we do not have that presently here, looking at the 1 hour time frame. So just gotta wait and see what happens here. I mean, Swiven, there's nothing wrong with, you cutting your losses short. Although there will be times whereby you get out of a trade early, and then as soon as you get out, or after you get out, price just starts going your way. It really just depends. Like, for example, for me, if I take a buy here on gold, quick example, let's say I take a buy here, right, and I just want to have a quick scalp back to this supply here for 20 pips. So let's say I have a 20 pips right there, and I have a stop loss. Let's say I have a stop loss here for 18 pips, right? So now we have a support here. Use this candle that rejected. Now, if price should start breaking below this support, there's a higher chance that I'm going to get stopped out. So why not just get out of the trade? Because if we are going to continue pushing up, there is no point for gold to come all the way back down to this support that we've created now. There's no point for it to do that. We should continue up until where we could have a potential rejection, which is back to this supply. So that is how you actually cut your losses short. If you take a buy and you see that, okay, price is now starting to break below, it doesn't matter the time frame, The price is now starting to break. If price breaks below the first support, you might get stopped out. If it breaks, if there's more than one support, and I'm talking about minor supports now. If you have more than one minor supports and it breaks the second support, just close out the trade. Get out. Get out. Price is doing too much, just get out the trade. Price might want to start ranging, or you might even get stopped out. And if you get out of that trade, if you're still watching the trade and price starts going your way again, I mean, then you can take the trade again. I mean, that's how I look at it, and that's why I cut my losses short sometimes. I don't do that, I don't do that a lot. But when there is room for me to cut my losses short, I'll cut it short.
I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend. Only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash is fold. None of my calls are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash is fold. None of my calls are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital. The dash digital. Go. Digital. Digital. The cash digital. The dash digital. Run it up. Digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm just trying to feed my kids. I'm just trying to keep my wife. I'm just trying to live my life while we get rich. My biz. Money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. Yeah, none of my cash is full, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash is full, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital. The dash digital. Go. Digital.
I'm good, and you?
Digital. The cash digital.
Alright, come on guys, run the likes up. We need 33 more to get 100 likes before London open. Wow. Wow, are you here?
Yep.
So, quick question. Oh, this is where everyone on Zoom too.
Yeah.
If even if gold reject that supply, what do you think I will be looking for?
I'd still look for the sells.
Sells or buys?
I'd still look for the sells. It hasn't broken that high yet. And on the hourly, it still looks bearish on the hourly, and the current hourly is yet to close. So
you don't see a potential buy?
I wouldn't. Me personally, I would not. Like the buy that you put in earlier, that was probably the one to take. But now if it goes back down and rejects again, I think the chance of you getting a good one-to-one is less, because that would create a minor resistance if it pulls back now.
No, I'm talking about London Open. You don't think this thing can go up?
Oh. I don't know.
Because I
have to wait and see what happens.
Because I think it can. I think you can. So
I would wait for London Open to,
Yeah.
if it breaks those highs, then I would think buys.
yeah, of course. But this is why I think gold can push up. Let me read the chat real quick. Yeah, this is why I think gold can still push up. Now, like I said, the market structure we've been creating here on the 5-minute time frame is bullish. That's number one. Number two, gold has this nice little gap to fill here to the left, and this is just the 5-minute time frame gap, not even the higher time frame gap right here. So we have that to the left right there. Now we got to this resistance, we found rejection right here. Now we did actually broke it. Yeah, we actually broke that resistance, but that's the 5-minute. But moving on. So we found rejection, right? Price has created a high. Now we yet to create a higher low. Now this is the higher low here. Now, even though we can reject this supply here, right? I think gold might just pull back, possibly, to this new demand that we formed here. Now, this could happen when London opens. Let me change this color here real quick. All right, so gold can still pull back even if we reject this supply, which I think we should. Reject this supply, come back down to this demand, reject, and we can see gold start to push up. If that happens, this supply, I don't see this supply holding. I just see us breaking through it. Now, when we break 1947, obviously we can retest 1947 and then continue pushing up. That's what I think we're going to see when London opens. So right now, as this thing stands, I see buys as of right now. And if the sell is there, then yeah, we'll take sales. But for right now, I see buys. Even though on the higher time frame, we are bearish. But hey, we trade in the lower time frame. So if the buy setup is there here on the lower time frame, 5-minute, we take it. And I see buys on the lower time frame.
Buys if we close above that resistance, right?
Huh?
Buys open up once we close above that resistance, right?
Yeah, if we do not pull back to this demand, then buys if we close above this resistance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and give you a higher high. Yes. So my entry will be above the 1 hour resistance. Yeah, if we do not pull back to this new demand we formed here, then yeah, I'll look for buys above 1947, which is the 1 hour time frame resistance. All right, we need 21 more likes, guys. 21 more likes to get 100 likes. Let's run the likes up, guys. Before London open. Looks like Red Lady took a sell on GJ. Oh, she took a sell right here. Trying me see where she took this shit. I can't even tell. That lady killed it. That lady made a bank on GJ. I don't think she got stepped down. She could sell somewhere here. Almost 30 pips. Oh, NAS. Yeah, NAS could push up here. But I will wait for another pullback simply because of this highs that we have right here. I will wait for a pullback back to the demand that we formed or minor resistance to take the buys. So for me, there is no entry right now on NAS.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you say. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they anytime. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch.
She might just break it now.
Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go and top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he
Right, we need 10 more likes, 10 more, 10 more, 10 more.
made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just an upstate boy, now I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just action with some muscle. I ain't fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm cash inside the duffel, not six inside the Russell. I get fly, you be crushing on designer that ain't fly. And then lie, scoop the cat or something fast when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend.
Gold should push back up. If this thing doesn't push back up, I will be surprised. Because looking to the left here,
I've been going up now, see the top going down.
right, let's use this zone here as our support. We broke below the support. We broke below the support, then we pushed up and broke above this support here to the left again. So gold should just do a retest of this support to the left or this demand here, and then we push back up. That's what gold should do. You have to like you have to like pay attention to the chart, look at the candles, look at the zones, whatever, and this goes with all whatever time frame you guys trade on. Pay attention to the chart, look at what's going on, and also make sure you understand what the overall trend is as well on the higher time frame, so you can better make the final decision, when it comes to the positions you want to take.
See the guap, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil like a rock. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, at the top, see the squad, get the guap, that's a lot. Coming from the soil to the top. Yeah, off, that's a lot. Hit the gas, need no brakes, I don't stop. Yeah. Oh my God. With the squad, see the squad, we outside. Coming from the soil like a rock. Coming from the soil to the top. Just got off the phone with my mama, yeah, she proud of me. This one for the ones who lost a vision. Yeah,
Thank you, Joel.
this one for the ones who got on late. They been proud of me, but it's still the same ones in the frame. Nothing changed. Yeah. At the top, see the top, I'm on top. See the guap, get the guap.
Hi everyone.
Hey, red lady, how you doing? I said red lady.
Same thing.
Cause I saw red lady's name before I saw face name.
I'll forgive you. She might not.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sha.
Fam Watagwan.
Morning.
Hey.
Hold on, I had another Jamaican and somebody said morning. It sounded Jamaican. Who was that?
Who that?
That was cute a bit.
What's up, Killer Beach? Where you been at?
Sometimes it sounds British, sometimes it sounds Jamaican, sometimes it sounds Nigerian. You got it all.
London in me, man.
I thought he said he was like Nigerian London or something.
Yeah, he's
African London.
Africa.
Born and raised in London, that's why my accent is just multicultural.
Okay, that's it. Good morning, my Trini, not my fans, but King fans. Morning, the Trinis. I love the Trini.
Do I ever trade 1 minute time frame? Hell no. I'm not saying the people that trade on the 1 minute time frame they don't make money, but trading on the 1 minute time frame is not for me. Too much stuff going on.
Uh-oh, we got another Trini in the mail from Trini. Morning, Mel.
We got 5 more minutes to London Open.
What else?
They move their gold is gonna do in the next 5 to 10 minutes. It's gonna depend on the volume we get here when London opens. Because another thing I feel like if gold wanted to continue really falling, we should have continued falling when we go back to this supply here, or this one here, or even when we rejected this one right here. Should have continued falling, but we did not. So we'll see what London volume gives us.
Hey, my darling, how are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Great. How's Dad doing?
Yeah, slowly, thanks. I'm traveling up there again tomorrow, so I'll be up there for the next 5 days. So more driving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, prayers are with you.
Thank you, Tom.
Sophia, nobody thinks I'm left you out, you know.
No, girl, morning. I'm here just looking at a few charts.
Okay.
Having my iron goal over here. Don't want to miss that move.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like
Yes.
giving us two-way bias right now.
Mm-hmm.
So nothing tentative. So I gotta be watching it because I don't want to miss this move.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
I had a quick buy on Asian stream from 1942.60 up.
It was good.
Yeah, on Asian stream. Mm-hmm. I was watching the Don Vu, but his partner Wick. They I don't know how they trade, but I think they just do breakout trades. Even me who does breakout trades saw a trading ticket and they didn't even get in the trade. But they said they went off stream yesterday after I don't know whatever happened, and they caught like major pips. So I was like, okay.
Yeah, I think the buys it took during New York. No, it took sales during New York. I think that it was a loss.
Mm-hmm. So I guess after stream they went and recovered.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, yeah, but they didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, we took the buys though in New York yesterday, but we got stopped out.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Well, London opens in a few seconds, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. What I'm trying to see right now is, are we gonna reject this support and push up, or this demand right here? And yep, we're rejecting it. We'll see what happens. Now, this is what I'm gonna do here. Now London session is open. So if we reject here, right, and we fail to break this, right, this new resistance that rejected this supply, if we fail to break it and then reject again here to the right, then I'll possibly look for sales, because at that point we should fall.
Okay.
So for now, I'm stay patient and wait for any of the setups I'm looking for to happen. check GJ. What's going on with GJ? GJ needs to break here first. We had a resistance. We need to break that.
I'm about to get out of NAS. It looks like everything's turning up.
Everything is turning up.
When did you get in that wall? Man, I was trying to look for a play yesterday afternoon. I couldn't get in that sucker for nothing.
A NAS New York session about like about an hour after we ended our session.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I was trying in later in the day because sometime after like 2, it does a nice play, but it wasn't giving me anything after that. So I was like, leave it alone. Because NAS normally move.
GJ just broke those highs, so I guess we might wait for a retest.
If this demand holds, we could be taking buys on Usoil. I need a top wick on this candle. I mean bottom wick. Oh, I got a bottom wick.
You do?
Yeah. Usoil.
It must be a tiny one. I must need to change my glasses. My prescription doesn't see anything.
I don't have a bottom wick, so I'd hang on to the ones you've got just for a bit longer.
King, can you go over the purpose of the wicks again for me, please?
To avoid getting faked out.
Okay. Make sure sellers or buyers are pushing it, right?
At the same, sometimes you could also mean volume as well. Because I've seen so many times where in a bullish move, a no bottom wick candle will just freaking drive and the price will just keep going.
Yeah.
So, but I like to wait for the bottom wick, so just to avoid getting faked out. Yep. Everybody in?
My best friend, my chick. My best friend gon' whip. My best friend, she pull up with a stick.
For the pull back up. Okay.
She spit off and we did.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah. Feel me? You feel me? Walk in the door. Shake up the building, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh, yeah. Shake it up, 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 shake it up.
Just putting in my stop loss here.
GG is not breaking yet. I thought someone said GG is breaking.
Went above it, but it didn't close above it.
If we stay rejecting, I'm gonna take a sell and go. Could get this set up, yeah. No top wick. I need the top wick. Damn, I was just about to secure in Usoil. DC already secured. I was just about to. Think I missed it because I was doing this gold stuff, yeah. Well, if you secured on USL, just move your stops to BE. I missed it. I definitely did get to it, but I'm still in. Are you guys still into on Zoom?
Yes.
Yeah.
You secured? Secured or no?
No.
No.
Yeah, my spread on USL is 2.5. DC spread is 2 pips, so that's why he's got it already. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, there we go.
Got
There we go.
Nice. Our spread must be the same on USL because we got it together.
Yeah.
Girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me, so just come stay with me. We could be on the run, we could be on the go. We could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say. Only if you say. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say. Only if you say. Only if you say so.
Well, looks like I've been stopped out. Yeah, I've been stopped out on the USL. She ain't ready. What the hell? How am I stopped out?
I just got stopped out.
Well, it's fine. I'll take the 12 pips. I'll take the 12 pips.
How do you guys hit stop? I'm at 66, 72, 66. Oh, I spoke too fast.
You just got stopped out. Your broker must be very slow. You need a new broker, they're too slow.
God. Oh. No, I didn't move my to break even fast enough when it first went there, so that's why. It's GJ doing. Okay.
Gold could actually continue pushing up, but the way this is looking, it's still looking like a sell setup, yeah? So we wait for sales until we 100% sure that, okay, this thing is not gonna fall anymore. And NAS ain't moving either.
As long as it moves down, I'm good.
That's all that matters.
I thought you got out.
No, I said I'm about to get out.
Oh. Yes, instead of bounce.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back.
If you're securing half of your lot size when we secure 10, 15, 20 or however many you secure at, that's on you. I don't secure 50%, I secure more than half.
Yeah.
At least 80% should be taken off. Most of the times I take 90% off. And I'm still making money.
I've been down too, like this bass drum. I got summer toys for the summer boy.
Good morning.
Boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise. I've been paranoid. This is God body. You can never void. I don't miss. I don't play none. I don't diss. I don't say none. I go swish. That's a
I had a bad week last week. Today's Thursday. This week has been great. I've made what I lost last week. I've made it back this week and more. So I'm Gucci over here. If I lose, I'll make it again. If I lose again, I'll make it back. Basically, whatever I lost, I'm gonna make it back.
Twice or triple the amount.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just waiting on gold to see what gold is gonna do here. Are we gonna keep rejecting this supply and fall, or are we gonna break above? If we break above, I'll look for buys. What platform am I trading on? I don't know what your business is on that one. Like, I don't know. Some people just think it's easy to come on YouTube and do this live. Like, you think it's easy? I could be doing this on my own right now. Doing this in front of hundreds, and eventually you might be even be looking at trading live like this in front of thousands of people. The more your viewer grows, the more pressure you're gonna be on. All the other traders with a huge amount of following, there's a reason why they're not trading live with you guys. Not just one, two reasons actually, but I'm gonna finish it right there. Full stop.
It's a good one.
That's like those movies that never give you the real finish and you've got to make up your own mind.
You know what I'm saying? And you just want to like, oh, man, I have to wait for the next season.
We're all left in suspense. We just have to figure it out.
That one tell you better figure it out on your own till the next episode.
That was just the trailer.
Yeah. Come back to YouTube Live Monday for the next episode.
trading life, you open yourself up to all the criticism because everyone sees all your wins, all your losses.
But the issue is some people still want to freaking hate. Like, it doesn't matter what you do. People that are gonna hate are gonna hate.
As long as you're existing, people are gonna hate. That's just the bottom line to it. So instead, look at it as you put a craft behind it, then you put yourself in a worse position to be criticized. So
They
I
still
think
turn
it's
up
just
to your
those.
streams, though. They still come to your streams. They still want to take your trades and make pips with you. So they're not in your stream. So they can as well not come here, but they here. So what does that mean? You know, they can't stay away from you. Tell you you're doing something right. So yeah.
They can't.
So do your thing. Do your thing. Let them hate.
It's just basically those losers, because why are they always watching you if they hate you and they, think you suck?
I know, man.
They wish to be in his position, trading, standard lots, making like a lot of bands every day, I mean, get the knowledge, spread some positive energies, but they are miserable people in their lives, but can't help them, can't fix. I don't want to say stuff, can't fix that kind of person. You just say, bless your hurts and God bless you. God bless your, your trading. Come one day and straight life like I am,
Usoil tested it.
Usoil did us dirty, man.
To push back on.
Oh, I'm just watching Usoil over here, and it just did us dirty.
Yeah, I'm looking at it too.
Sister DJ from yesterday.
Hey,
from DJ.
Listen to me. It was like last week when I blew my account. I was hating King. Like, you put me in this damn trade to blow my account, okay? Well, I'm coming back again, and you better win.
He didn't press the buttons to like buy, sell, stop losses and all that. It's like you just saying the thing. I know you're kidding, but people will be like, "Oh, you put me in a trade and all that." I'm like,
and I lost. That's just what people think. Just the basic.
Easy enough, force you to take your finger, the trigger finger, and press. All this stuff. But you're gonna blame someone?
Oh yes, of course we're gonna blame
life. I know life is so stressful, but people needs to be responsible for their own actions, for their own decisions.
And then it's also common human nature to just hate on the person that giving it out. So, we just have to take accountability. Get over it, brush your shoulders off on the loss, and come back again.
Exactly. 400 times. And
see, I'm back, guys. I lost my account last week. I'm back again.
We can give up.
What you just said, really, that's actually the main reason why I decided to go on the educational route of trading, just educate people, not really focus on trying to send signals every freaking day.
Right.
Because I'd rather focus on the educational part than just focus on sending people signals. There are traders out there that's what they focus on. They just sending signals. They don't really care about the educational part. And I feel like they just been selfish, because you're not trying to make sure these people also get to the level that you are, but you just want to keep taking money from them. And obviously
keep them dependent.
And obviously they know that there is a market for that. There is a whole more Forex trader that would rather just pay someone for signals than actually try to learn this themselves.
Yeah, that's true.
The Forex streets are now easy.
Go look at all the. If you go on YouTube, and I mean, I'm sure you guys already know the Forex YouTubers that has huge following. Then come back and tell me how many of them trade live with you guys.
They'll cuss you out in a minute and ban you off their channel.
You either pay for a course or you pay for their signals.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh yeah. Oh, they will. Oh, because I'm on some stream that they cuss you out. Ucho.
It's your choice. And when I say all this stuff, I like to reference Roger Banks, because that's actually the person that motivated me to start trading live. That's why I always use him as a reference. Someone like that should have at least 1 million subscribers. He should have at least 1 million. Look at the trading channel. Now, I'm not saying he's not a good trader or none of that. I'm just saying he has 1 million plus subscribers. I mean, aside from the videos and the course, I mean, what other value? No.
Yep.
Watching a trader trade live like this can even help you more than a course will.
It's actually invaluable to be able to just ask a question about a trade. Looking at candles that have gone past, or lessons or something like that is one thing, but to be able to actually ask a question while you are in the decision-making moment is
Because right now, me trading live, you're also looking at my entry strategy, my exit strategy. You're actually watching me doing it.
Yeah.
A course is not going to do that for you.
No.
NAS King, can you have a look at NAS? I think it's
NAS is going up and I'm out.
NAS, we're just trying to get to gold right now. Gold is looking nice.
Go to?
No entry on it for me yet, NAS.
Oh, gold looking like a sell. I don't know. It's raging. Failed to break 47.
Okay, I'm still in oil. Finally.
You're still
Because what it is that
no, I don't want to hear it.
No, what it is, I know.
I'm also in.
Who's that?
Wow.
I mean,
I had an early entry, but I didn't take it. I went in on your entry.
Oh, good on you, Gaki.
But I had a wider stop loss because I trusted it thereafter.
Okay.
Right. So
I put a baby lot just to see how the trade gonna go, because oil is me and oil don't mix a lot.
Moving up my
it's like water and oil.
Was Raja my mentor? No, but like I said, he was the one who motivated me to start trading live. That's all. Well, I guess you can, if you can also say he's someone who I look up to, because the account size he has, I mean, he has more money than me, so why wouldn't I look up to him? So you feel me? So so in that aspect, yeah.
Good at what he does, but it's so hard to have access to him, as you said. Yeah, it's like just a call.
Someone that I respect. Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like him on Newsday. Gamba Raja is at it. You ready to gamble?
Like right now, even though I have a very low audience on YouTube. I mean, it doesn't matter. There are, other Forex YouTubers that I respect, and there are some that I don't even give a shit about them. Excuse my language.
Yeah. True. That's true. One night or
And the same way for me too. There might be someone out there who will work with me, and there'll be some, and some set of people that they just won't work with me, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that.
to each his own. And that's it. You win some, you lose some, brush it off, come back again. And we'll move on. Happy days, give thanks, and that's it. Drink some coffee, guys. It's too early. I'm going to breakfast this morning when I wake up.
It's 12 a.m. I'm gonna go catch some sleep.
Whenever
No coffee.
whenever Red Lady says she's going for coffee, just know she made a lot of money.
I mean, and you guys.
Listen, last week I did not go out for breakfast. Okay. And even though I'm not paid for it, I'm still not going because I got to get over my feelings first before I interact with people. When I go to breakfast, it's like I just want happy. I'm like the flower girl. Just
look at this candle. No, you see what I was saying earlier with the no button way candle and stuff. She's just pushing. So this is why if we do no flip, it just shows bullish volume here. So if this candle closes bullish, we could come back down and retest, or just retest this resistance here and start pushing up again. So we'll see. So that's what I'll be looking for now right here. If it continues, it continues. Then my entry is just not there.
Well, did you get in?
Oh no, I got out.
Oh, I know you were in a cell before.
Yeah, I got out once it closed above that consolidation zone.
Okay.
I'm in bias though.
Oh, nice.
Who's in buy?
Kill the bit.
Kill the beat.
Oh, kill the beat.
Bloody beats.
How did you come up with that name?
The buy was not wrong. Obviously, I just didn't like this candle when you guys told me about it earlier. And I looked at it, this candle had no bottom wick, so that's a no-go for me.
I put in from the doji.
You got it from the doji?
Good move.
On the 15.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, good move.
Yes.
Yeah.
He had that sniper entry.
worst case, maybe the previous candle before this bullish candle that closed with no bottom wick, maybe from that one. But from that doji, no.
He had that sniper entry.
Yeah, because we were
right, kill the beat.
We were
Now to
still
the doji on the 15 minute. On the 15-minute doji.
Huh?
Oh, 15-minute doji. Oh, let's go see what that looks like.
Let's see. Let me see that doji on the 15.
Looks good.
The bearish one?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh man.
Well, you took a big risk there.
242.
Okay. I don't
Where's
know
your
if that one.
TP? Where's your TP? Kill the beat.
I don't even know. I don't really trade. No, it's like it went up 300 points, so I just took something out. I only done something little like 0.2.
God is still thinking, like, what should I do?
Okay.
She needs to get it over with.
So does GJ. She don't know what she want to do either.
Yep, both of them.
Mm-hmm. Now she making me think I shouldn't have got out my cells. I should have held on. I was in it.
We could still push up though.
So true. I was in at 174.28. 27 I got in. I couldn't sleep last night. I don't know what to do when you can't sleep in the night, but look at the charts.
Oh, well, probably not that.
The fact that we keep rejecting this resistance here, she might fall. But the issue is, can we break below 173.909? So that's what I'll be waiting to see that to happen, and I'll start looking for sales on GJ.
Trey, I'm still laughing.
I can't sleep, so I'll look at the charts. That'll really help me go to sleep.
No, that's stressful.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah. Sometimes I'll do that, then I tell myself, go to bed. Go
to bed.
This is not healthy.
As soon as one eye closed, I open back the phone. Look again, and then say, both eyes closed, please.
You're not alone, Charmaine. You're not alone.
Oh, good.
We live, we eat, we talk, trading, charts.
Oh, my God.
Eat, drink, sleep, trading.
Oh, yeah.
Seriously.
Oh,
I even
who was my mentor? Myself.
He says, me, myself, and I.
You better study this like you in college.
Oh my God, you told us 4 years. I'm 2. What?
I'm not even 1 yet. So I am like
Wait, don't get me wrong. I didn't really say, oh, it's gonna take, if you're new, it's gonna take you 4 years. No, that's not what I'm saying.
No, we were just having a conversation, and we just, okay. Us, so we like to make jokes about stuff.
I was just trying to, make sure it's known.
He's putting a disclaimer. This is for education.
In writing and verbally, so get it.
And my opinion on trading and everything. So we got you.
We got you, King.
We're just kidding, but it's true. You can learn trading in a day. That I've learned.
You can't. You can't.
Well, did you flip your trade? Are you in the buys on
NAS looks good.
NAS?
No, I didn't go and buy.
Okay.
Well, she wouldn't pull back. Let's see.
It's like no setups, just everything is just doing its thing. Ranging, pushing.
Wait, are we having any news today?
I was just about to say that.
We need some news.
We do.
At what time?
I didn't even. On Forex Factory, it says we don't. But
investing.
Oh yeah, wait. Today is 8. Yeah, we do. Yeah, unemployment claims.
Oh.
7:30. That was 8:30 your time.
Eastern time. 7:30 Eastern.
No, 7:30 Central.
Central.
This is London, people. Let's get some volume.
GJ, there's a London pair.
Mm-hmm.
She's just trying to do something now.
I don't know what's going on with her. She's just in a range.
She breaking.
She is just in a range. Six. That's it. Oh man. Oh. Oh, Mambo FX have a prop firm now.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Congratulations to him. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got pitched on that too.
You what?
I got approached to start my own platform.
Oh yeah?
But that is not something I'm interested in.
No?
Nah.
Okay.
It's not it's not even hard. No. Let me keep quiet. Basically, it's not that expensive to start your own program, as most people might think.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually cheap.
Mm-hmm. It's just the work behind it.
200k, shit, less than 200k.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's really cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Charmaine said King got the bag.
Where?
On YouTube, Charmaine said you got the bag for it. It's probably King on a sleep journey there.
I mean,
he has to be making moves.
If I was interested in something like that, then you gotta hire people. I'm not ready for all that yet.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's the work that goes behind it. Yeah.
Because when you're trying to go into a business, you gotta make sure you're actually ready mentally before you venture into that.
Oh yeah.
And make sure it's really what you want to do. Don't just do it because people are saying, "Oh, there's money in this, there's money in that." So if you do, you make money, and then you boom, you jump into that business.
What?
Just because they were killing it and making money, it does not mean the same thing will happen to you.
Mm-hmm. What did Dipsy say? If you got prop firm, is it okay? Is that to copy your trades on stream? Well, I know he does send out a signal because I used to take his signals. Don't mess around. Okay, so. And I think he still does his signals.
There are people with a funded account, and they're not even taking their own trades. They're just copying signals.
That's how I started.
For those type of freaking, I don't even want to call them traders. Just so for those kind of people, like how far can they go?
Yeah, after a while, you have to, you know, you have to hit it for yourself. You do.
If anything happens to the trader that's sending you the signal, then you finished.
Oh yeah,
You're
because
done.
I mean, I remember. I think what he was doing London, sending signal in London, and staying up waiting for that signal, waiting for when is that signal coming? When is it coming? And I'm on the chart, and I'm like, okay. And at that time, I used to just do my 5 cross the 20, and I was like, usually that's about where he does it, and I'm like, no, I'm waiting on the signal. After a while, I just said, you know what? Let me just stick with my 5 cross the 20, and I'm good. I wait for my breakout, and then I just started hitting the books. And I heard, what is his name? I think Teo, Reina Teo.
Yeah, we're not.
Yeah, I was studying some of his videos. I studied a lot of his videos. A lot. I have books upon books. He's good. He's really good.
This will be the third time we're rejecting this freaking zone here. Gbpjpy news today. DJ and Golden just not ready.
King, let me mess with you this morning.
What's going on?
GU.
No. You're not gonna trick me today.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on? You looking for buy sell signals on GU?
Let me tell you where I'm at. I'm looking for a breakout right about now to the downside, but I'll leave it alone. And we're not looking for no. I'm just messing with King. I just like put the chart on my screen. So let me mess with King. No.
Go break if you wanna break. It's wasting time.
They sweating us out this morning.
Gold is really trying to break. Should you take buys on NAS? For me, no buys yet. There's no entry here for me at the moment. If we close above here, then this thing should break above this resistance. There we go.
There she goes.
Now we just need it to close above. If this candle reject and we have a bearish candle closure closing below these highs, above this 1947.89, then gold should fall. So there's nothing yet right now, so I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back, guys.
GJ, yeah, let me see what GJ is doing. Until GJ crossed that 98, 73, 98. I'm messing with her.
GJ looks super choppy, completely sideways.
Exactly. See what I'm saying? And unless if she crossed that 73.98 and close, I'm not even looking at her. Even further now. 88. Okay, let's see what Xauusd is going to do on this next candle.
All right, we went back up there and rejected.
Mm-hmm.
See how this candle closes. And I need us to break this bullish candle lows. For now, we'll put entry here.
Mm-hmm.
Until I see how this candle closes.
Hey, Sophia, what's up with Janelle? I haven't heard him.
I think he's there, you know.
Hmm.
I saw him.
Oh, there you go.
Let me check. Oh yeah, he's there.
Let me bring up my screen.
Probably sleeping. This is not his hour. Okay, you know, they're an hour behind us. It's nighttime. He prefers the 8 o'clock session.
Okay.
Well, he's there. Tanel, can you hear us? I guess that means no.
Yes, I got a Camacho. I got it paid out from the funded trader, but I blew the account. My first payout, and then I blew the account. Oh man, I think it got to my head like, oh God, I got a payout. I can't believe it. It was like about $600. That was it.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, pass 2 challenge and then get a payout. And then after that, I don't know what happened. Brains got fried.
If gold eventually closes above 1947.89, then I'll look for buyers. Right now, until that happens, we wait and see what happens. But I'm looking at NAS over here. This is NAS.
Go look like she want to close
King
the
gold.
bottle.
Good. We still got some waiting to do.
Waiting for it to close the bottle.
At least for me, you know. Some people might check the breakout now, but that's enough for me.
Nice.
I took the buys, NAS100 buys.
Alright. Darn it.
God is still playing games right there. What's my opinion on Usoil? We didn't quite come back to this demand. All right, Gerald. What is trying to do here?
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Who that, that's him. I pull up with me and my love, that's it. Drowning in the moolah, I think I die swim. Stop calling me bro, you're not my friend. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing around, why you playing with me? Stop playing with me. 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 Who that does me? Copy like I'm daddy, you not my seed. Catching all my movements, you watch my lead. We are not the same, no, I'm out your league. I been went pro, I been went big. I been with a that's not your biz. I been on top, I been made hits. Recognition still not gon' miss. Stop playing with me.
GJ. GJ just keeps getting ugly and ugly.
Stop playing with me. 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 Who that not y'all? Counting all day like the clock on the wall. It's not my fault. I'm not gonna lie. I've been there broke and it's not my type. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing around. Why you playing with me? Stop playing with me. 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 Left it to the bank like left it to the bank like I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watching make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm 25. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama.
All right, I secured partials. I took partials on NAS. So I took 120 off of that.
You managed to get 12 points on that already?
Yeah.
Damn, I was only at 8 when you said that.
Oh wow. The spread must be better than yours. Come on guys, don't be used in the chat. Let's get it going. So you haven't taken partials yet?
Now I did.
You said no?
Now I did. Just now.
Oh wow. Yeah, you must have had a late entry or your spread is bigger than mine.
Breakfast is calling me.
Somebody's happy.
Got 20 pips. Secured.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes, Charmaine, 20 pips. I know how to use the
Some
rules.
sniper entries over here.
No, I actually took King's entry.
And you got 20 pips?
Yeah. My entries were at 14. I got filled at 14, 285, 60.
We're 285.
I'm not at 20 yet. Oh, I'm almost there though.
I got it.
Is that
ours is different from yours, so I'm not even gonna.
Yeah. So I used the rule from that exact point. And yeah.
Sometimes the ruler is not really gonna match what your peeps are. You just gotta calculate it yourself.
Okay. That's okay.
I like this one, yeah.
Wait, did I move my stop? Yeah. Yeah. I move my stop.
There we go, 200 points. 200 points secured. Beautiful.
Oh, wait.
My TP1 is right here, as you guys can see. TP1 is going to be for 300 points, and that's 30 pips.
King, I'm behaving today. I am holding. My TP is just like I got in at 89.50, and my TP.
Remember what I told you guys I'll be doing with my, because I always get in my positions twice. I have two positions running at the same time. So remember what I said I do.
What do you do? Oh, you close one. Oh.
Yeah, take 10 pips partial on one, and then if the trade gets to 20, I'll take, then the second one, I'll take partials on the second one and leave them to run to TP.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. I took, okay. I stacked 5.
What the hell? Damn. You ain't joking over there.
I took 3 and then I took partials on the other 2. I left the ones I got in a little bit below. I got in at 89.50. My stop loss is at 91.82. So 91.82, 91.45. Are there a difference? Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it.
Golden GJ is not having it today. They're like, no. We're not ready. We're not ready.
So King, you say you only take partial on one?
Yeah, so once I get 10 pips, right? One of the positions I have running, I will take partials on one, and then I'll move stop to break even on both of them.
Right.
Then once I get to 20, the second position, then I will take 90% off the second position. Stops is already at BE. Now, then those 2 positions will have a TP1 and TP2.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. When did you give out this information?
I mean, I've been giving it out.
Okay. I took partials on all of mine, that's why. And then I closed them out completely.
It's just a way of me making more.
Yeah, definitely. Of course.
That's what I do.
So that's what I want to learn, how to make more. Like, you know, I mean, my positions are small and my account is small, but I'm trying to figure out a way to make more. That's why I stacked the 5. Once I hit 10 pips, I take 3 off and leave 2 running at break even.
I mean, as long as you're following, risk, proper risk management. And
trust me.
And you stack 5 trades, maybe you can take partials on 2 at 10, and then the other 3 you take partials at 20. But make sure on all of them, you move stops to BE once you secure at least 10 pips.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, we're secured.
Yeah,
we're on risk-free trades.
Sometimes it works like I'll still get at least 20. Sometimes it would just be like 10 or maybe 15, which is fine. Because if I don't get at least 20, I'm not taking partials on my second position.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. And that's it. Yeah, that's
I still made money. I mean.
Yeah.
And the next trade, I might get the 20 pips that I want, or maybe
exactly, because once you're at break, because once you're at break even, it's a risk-free trade. So whether you win it or lose it, it's a risk-free. Yeah. I see your point now. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try that in New York.
Right now, I'm not touching nothing until I get to this first TP. If it gets there, fine. If it doesn't, it is what it is.
Okay.
This setup here, this is not a demand. We took a BOS here. We broke structure, price retested resistance. Then we took buys above the highs. So this is a break and retest setup here.
And that's what I never used to do. I didn't wait for the retest on the breakouts. I would just go with the breakout. then I be in so much drawdown. It's like But back then I was strictly like limits, you know. So once it break, I'm in.
I don't know. We might not take gold or GJ to New York, guys.
Mm.
We're taking 2 trades already.
Mm.
Do I layer trades? Is that the same thing as stock? You mean stock trades? If that's what you mean, my maximum is 3, but most of the time I only do 2 positions. And I get it at once. I don't re-enter. Like for example, right now I'm not looking to re-enter NAS. I'm not looking for no re-entry. I'm still in the trade, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's it. The only way I will re-enter NAS, for example, is if I've not taken 2 trades today already, and then NAS breaks this resistance here, and they give another retest, or we retest whatever demand that we form. If we have a demand set up, then I'll get in again. That's the only reason I will take another entry. But right now I don't need to. So if you wanna learn how I trade, most of you have been asking me. So this month's bootcamp, if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description. All you have to do is to apply, and make sure when you fill in the form, make sure you pay close attention to the instructions. All right. And also, if you want to trade New York session with us, private room link is down below in the description as well. And join the free Discord. Join the free Discord. We don't buy people over here. We're friendly.
Mm.
Where we trade is fun. All we do is, let me tell you what we do over here. New York session, we drink coffee, smoke weed, and trade.
That's it. That's it. And sometimes I'm at breakfast.
Oh, don't forget, by New York, I'm drinking wine. I'm onto the wine.
There you go.
They drinking wine.
Somebody's face drinking wine.
Oh my God. Like I used to tell them, somewhere in the world it's after 11, I can drink.
Yeah.
And we listen to music while trading. Fun.
That's it. Nothing different. Nothing different.
Yeah, and the push-ups. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody said wine and weed. Man, those are good combinations.
Wine and weed, of course.
I'm telling you, I do that sometimes. Like, if I just wanna chill and I have, maybe my family is here or something, I'll just maybe get a beer. If I have wine, I'll get a wine, get my weed, then I go to my freaking garage and do my thing.
Mm. Oh, so the other day I'm in the store, right? So I go in the juice section and I see Kool-Aid. So I remember once when I came to Florida about 10 years ago, I'm looking for a soul food place. So, the best soul food places are in the hood. So I go in the hood
Oh yeah,
and
that's true. Best soul food. They in the hood. Yeah.
oh my God, oh my God. Food was good. So I'm drinking my Kool-Aid because it's Kool-Aid on the menu. So I'm drinking my Kool-Aid. So I finish it. My honey, he asked for another one. She said, that's another $3 for the Kool-Aid. I said, what? You don't get a free refill on Kool-Aid? I'm done. So he was like, you know what? Give me a glass of Kool-Aid with a glass of ice on the side. She'll be okay. No free refills on Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid, guys. I don't know why that came to my mind. Okay, Kool-Aid. You buy those little packages back in the days. The little packages, and you make like a quart or something like that, jug of Kool-Aid. There was, oh my God, no free refills on Kool-Aid. I was like, wow. So the other day, to go back to where I went to the supermarket the other day for the first time in however long, because I just order and they deliver. I go in the supermarket, going down the juice aisle, I see Kool-Aid. So I said, oh, let me get some Kool-Aid. I haven't had Kool-Aids in years. So I go home, put it in, mix it up, pour some Jamaican rum in there. That's for the Jamaicans. I add some lime and a splash of my that thing that you make margarita with. Oh my God. I've been drinking that for a week now. Kool-Aid, Jamaican rum, lime, and I think it's a margarita mix. And I drop some salt in there. Woo. Whoosh. Whoosh. Charmaine, don't play with me. Yes.
And I hope I'm going to pronounce your name right. Swa. I'll just call you Rayvon. I'll just call you Rayvon. So I saw your message on Discord and Discord chat. Now this is the reason. Number one, your leverage, and number two, your contract size. That's why you didn't make as much as I made, even though we use the same lot size. On my broker, my leverage is 1 to 500, and my contract size is in points, not pips. That's why. That's why. If you are my broker now, I'm not going to advise using my broker to trade with NAS100 if you don't have a decent account size. Because man, if you have a small account size and boom, the trade is wrong, sheesh, it's gonna hurt you. But if you make money, oh yeah, you'll be smiling, be like, damn, I just made this. This thing just moved just one candle and I made this. You'll be happy. Someone said you sound like you're making rum over there.
Rum? I'm making
punch.
Oh, rum punch. Yes, yes. Is that what you make it with Kool-Aid? Oh man, that sucker is good. Oh, I'm telling you. So Starbucks sell those clear cups with the Starbucks logo. I make it in that, and I'm good for the day. Then my daughter comes. Oh, so where's mine? So she takes mine all the time. So now I have to make 2 of them. I need to make some and put it in the fridge for when I want it. You know what I need with that? Some black cake full of rum. Who's making cake this year?
You said black cake with rum?
Yeah.
Yummy, yum. Favorite
Watch
ever.
Dr. Bobby Price YouTube. Dr. Bobby Price on YouTube.
Gold is looking good over here. You saw that, King?
Gold. Oh, gold finally broke. Oh my God.
Let it close bullish first.
Oh wait, it didn't. Yeah. Oh, Doctor who she says? Dr. Bobby Price. Let me look him up. Charmaine, I'm going over there. Give me a second. I'm coming back.
My new stop loss right now is above this bearish candle. That's where I forgot to tell you guys. Right there, my new stop loss is.
No. Oh. Oh, Charmaine, no. We are not watching Dr. Bobby Price, okay? Because I'm gonna make a juice mix and then I'm gonna drink my rum punch afterwards. I'm old. I'm an older woman, okay? I do juices, put in my fridge, but I want to drink these days. Don't play. Dre, drinking puts me to sleep. I don't know why I can't sleep, like I have insomnia or something. So I need to get some intoxicating stuff in my system. Ace effects? You never did drugs or drink? How old are you, Ace? Well, hats off to you. Hats off to you, I must say. I'm not even going to forget about the age. Hats off to you. Keep it going. We smoke every now and then. We drink. Oh, Ace is 19.
Wow, how different life could look like if you learnt to trade properly at 19.
Yeah. Okay. So true. So true.
Somebody called you a sugar mommy.
Who? Me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. If I learned to trade at 19, I definitely would be a sugar mama.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, God. You want to try and mute me? I guess he got muted himself. Oh, wow. Congrats to you, Ace. Keep up the good work, man. Just stay focused and disciplined. That's right, kill the beats.
Rayvon, real quick. Are you still here? Okay, you're still here. I know you didn't make what you was expecting on that NAS trade, because of whatever broker you're using. But you still made 250. That's something you didn't have before in your account. So you still made money.
Mm-hmm.
Just look at it that way.
That's it. Money is money.
You must be getting jealous seeing your size.
Easy.
If I was trading your size on NAS, Jesus, every point I'd be having a heart attack.
That's funny.
I know that feeling well.
But you're not wrong though. But
they're not far behind you. Sophia, you're not far behind him.
Yeah, but it's just the feeling. It's the feeling when it's happening with those ticks. I'm just having anxiety. I even cut my sizes because it's killing me over here.
It's gonna take some getting used to.
That's why I like starting with my small account and just growing it and compounding it, because then I get slowly adjusted to the varying increases in sizes.
Yeah. Because the more you increase your lot size, the higher the drawdown is gonna be that you're gonna start seeing.
Yeah. Then you're gonna be crying for real. Oh my God, it's all in the name of fun.
I should really know coming from options, the stock market, but one can't get used to that.
Okay, we did a close above. Miss bearish, but you see gold, King?
I see.
Moni, good morning. How are you? I wish you'd tell us how to pronounce his name properly. It's Money? Monium? Monium. We were going over that the other day. Oh, wow. Okay, Crockett to Baggio. I don't know. Congrats. I'll be fine over here.
if gold is gonna push up, we should not break below this support. Resistance to support right here. If we're gonna push up, we shouldn't break below it. Not to talk of
Gold's about to crush those dreams.
closing below it. If it happens, then this thing might fall, and then I'll just trade it down in New York. NAS might push down to this demand here. My stop loss is above entry anyways. If it gets back to this previous resistance, I'm gonna be out. Gold might actually be ready to fall now. We'll see how this candle closes.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing.
Oh, the new Transformer movie come out tomorrow? Ooh.
Yeah,
movie time.
Tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Till I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Riding around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell her why you mad for. Go on, tell her why you mad for. And just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a minute. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe.
Oh, Vang, he was waiting for a closure above the high. We never got a close, that's why.
Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can tell her what you mad for.
Vinny's over here trying to tell me what to do. I mean, if you took the nice trade, you can get out if you want.
Oh no, that was Jacob I was talking to.
My stop loss is above entry. I'm holding it. Anyone can get out of NAS if they're still in. I'm not telling you to wait. I already secured 200 points. I'm good. At this point, I'm just trying to see if I can make my money.
Well, that was Jacob was asking why you didn't get in the gold trade, huh? The gold buy. I was trying to tell him that we didn't get a closure above the highs. See what happened? That's if we'd have just took it, look what happened.
It's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off at times two. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Evan. The aesthetic, it's hard to forget it. I hear you, but you're hardly right. I'm the voice of your prototype. Summertime and then why?
Ooh. King, play that song you had with Beanie Man the other day, huh?
Beanie Man. Oh, I can play that on YouTube.
Oh, is that the
Yeah.
I got you. Yeah, I know. Beanie Man wanna make his money too. Who's the artist on that?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. What is he? African?
Yeah, he's Nigerian. He has a YouTube channel with his wife.
Uh-huh.
They have a couple's channel.
Okay.
They have like almost 1.5 million subscribers.
Oh.
Oh yeah, oil had a nice move.
It dropped.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Although not the retest you'd be looking for, Abe.
She faked a retest and came back. GJ finally doing something.
Okay, got up out that range. What do we go to? 43? 36 or 43?
There's so many hourly rejections above.
On GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, so true. I told him.
I have resistance at 174.436, then 174.686. If we break that, then you have a better range above 174.686.
I told you I was in it on Asian and I got in. That's where I actually got in right here where it's at. For a sell. Yep. And I got out right at London. When you got in the goal?
No, not yet.
No, I'm money.
This setup, yeah, I'd rather wait until we start breaking this resistance here.
Moniam, where you from? I'm trying to figure out your name.
I think he's from Morocco, I think.
Oh, Morocco. Huh? Okay. He's been with you a while, haven't he, King? I remember when I got on, he was one of the first names I saw that morning. It's an Arabic name. Arabic, not Arabic Nights. With that movie. Okay.
I'm gonna wait like 15 to 30 minutes more here to see what good is gonna do. I'm still here because I've not taken any trades on my funded and challenge account. That's why I'm still here.
I thought it was because you loved us.
Huh?
I thought it was because you loved us.
Yeah, that's why we took 2 trades. If not, it would have been just 1.
Monia, am I allowed to say assalamu alaikum to you? When I lived in Philly, there was a huge Muslim community there.
Anyone can say it. But the thing is, if you say it to a Muslim, they gotta say it back.
Okay. Okay, because it's like God be with you or peace be with you, something like that, right?
Yeah, peace be unto you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, AC from Philly. Okay, I used to live in Mount Airy. Oh, Erie, Pennsylvania. Okay, I lived there for like 4 years when I left New York. I lived in, I guess you would call that north to northeast. Yeah. Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. Okay.
Your message.
Assalamu alaikum.
I said it when he said awa. Yeah, then you in turn say awa. I used to hang with them, so I used to know how to say a few words, but I forgot now. It's been I've been in Florida 10 years now.
I used to live in Saudi. I'm pretty fluent in Arabic. I miss, talking Arabic. Assalamu alaikum. Ya morning.
Okay. Where you live at, Yaki?
I'm in Arizona.
Arizona. Is there like a Muslim community there?
No. I used to work in Saudi, in Riyadh.
Okay.
In the Middle East. Yeah. My first job. So.
No, there's a huge community in Philadelphia. Huge community.
Yeah, here too. I have quite a couple of friends.
GJ ready. She just got
now I remember. It's walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Yes. Thank you, Nanko. Yes.
Come on, good. It's your turn.
I think God's gonna go the other way. If GJ goes, they all kind of play different.
No, God is gonna push up.
Did I trade gold last night? Let me see. Oh, I did trade gold last night. Yes, I did. Oh. Yeah, 1942.72 is where I got in. Mm. No.
God is like, I believe I can fly. Ah, I need some tea or something to drink. And
You want some of my rum punch?
maybe over the weekend, I just came from work taking my puppies out.
Joke.
Two little baby puppies. So.
Oh.
I'm like, it's like babies. It's like having a baby again. Like,
oh. What do you have?
It's Maltese Shih Tzu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They're brothers. They're same litter, so I can't even tell them apart. I'm like,
oh, so I thought. Wait, I saw it. You said the other day you took your kids to school.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what I was referring to. You said your babies. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I decided
yes.
so it's like restarting again.
Oh, let me tell you, I had a Yorkie. I had her since my older son dad gave her to me. So when we moved to Florida, she was almost 13 years old.
Oh.
She ate a frog, which I didn't know they were allergic, and she passed away. I swear I would never get a dog after that. Anyway, months later, I got another one. She was a Yorkie Shih Tzu mix. And my dad's big old dog impregnated her. And she just couldn't handle the repercussion after that. She did have the baby. She had 6 babies, but I gave them away because I don't like big dogs. And I didn't know how they would turn out. So I gave them all away. And I was grieving my dog. And I didn't get another dog. I'm trying to, but I don't know if I can handle a dog again with trading.
I know. But my kids are helping. You know, the 10-year-old, 12-year-old loves them, so he's helping.
Oh,
basically keeps them busy.
Yeah, when the kids are young, they're very helpful. But my daughter, she's sleeping. She did her one trade this morning and went right back to bed. And you won't get her up for her. She said, "Mom, if you get another dog, it's solely on you."
It's a lot of work.
It is. It is. And I like to train him to do different stuff. So, oh God. Jeremy was so fun. Oh God. And I love dressing her. Oh my God. I have so much clothes from them. So you dress up your babies, Yaki?
Yeah, I changed the water, took them out to go number 1. I put them back to bed and I'm like, you better sleep because I need to be on a stream. Yeah. Tomorrow's trade, I lived in Riyadh, but that's where I worked. I was working in a hospital over there. Really nice. Oh, you're from Riyadh? Oh my goodness, I missed the place. Oh my goodness, I miss going to Al Mamlaka, Ajah. Oh my goodness, I forgot them all. I love going to Al Mamlaka for the coffee and the shopping and everything. Yeah, I miss the Gawa and Mama Nura.
I have no idea what you're saying.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm talking to someone on the
YouTube.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Habibi. It's not Habibi. Habibti. Come to Dubai. Al Kharij. I have Sally. ايش فيك انت حبيبتي yeah no not حبيبتي حبيبتي
He have said to come on his
yeah.
yacht. He have a yacht, so when we go to Dubai,
stop being silly, you know. Fifth wife. He's talking about fifth wife, you know.
fifth wife.
I like respect people's, you know, cultures, and you know, it's all about respect.
What's that?
He said
No,
he
this
got been
guy-
my fifth wife.
This guy making fun over here.
Whoa.
Yalla, 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 baby. Hahabak inta.
I don't know, so I can't reply. But he said to come on his yacht when you come to Dubai. Oh, he said you can be his fifth wife.
Astaghfirullah. Anyway. Let's go back to trading.
TMI, TMI.
Mhm. He pays a good salary.
That's what he says.
That what it? Oh, so that's what you do? You just give her a salary?
Just from the way he's writing, and you know, you can tell Arabic is not. I think Arabic is his first language.
Come on, Nas. Give us that 300 points.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot all about Nas. Did I kick it? I don't understand. Okay.
Yes, Sally. You keep it respectful, right? Otherwise, we'll block you from YouTube. Because it's trying to make fun of a culture. And that's disrespectful.
Yeah, let's not do that. We joke around, but we're not making fun of anybody' culture here. Under God's eye, we're all one.
See the stuff he's bringing, so I think we need to block this guy. We're talking about women here. We're talking about trading. You know, you take your stereotypes where you know, and all that stuff.
Killer Beats got him. Trust me. Did Killer Beats get it?
I know.
Kill that beat. Yeah. Not another beat.
He said the angels have spoken.
That's him in that song.
Yes. You know.
That is it.
I know. Like, we're all different backgrounds, different cultures. So we need to respect, you know, people's cultures, beliefs, and all that stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
It's all love, you know. Don't, you know, especially when you can see someone doesn't even have a clue of what he's talking about, you know. Some of us are so international, been all over the world, lived in the Middle East, born in Africa, living the American dream, lived in the Middle East. So, you know, you respect people. Don't bring your ideas over here, take it somewhere else, you know.
I should look at
Oil.
no entries for me.
No entries.
USR?
Oh no, I got out of oil a long time ago.
No, I was just responding to someone in the chat.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh my God, it's 2 o'clock over here. I need to catch some sleep. I caught some pips. I better catch some sleep.
Let me tell you, it's past 4 over here.
Oh,
And,
and we're gonna be up on New York Open.
okay, and it's 5:15 over here.
Oh my goodness. It's
I
only in the morning.
I stay up. I'm up all night.
Yeah, I was.
I sleep during the day. But I've been trying to reduce it so I don't develop what's it called, insomnia.
Insomnia. Oh, you just have a different. Your sleep pattern is just different. Yeah, that's it. Me, I can't sleep day or night, so that's a problem. That's you know.
Yeah, I need to be going to sleep sometimes because if I travel, let's say I go on a vacation and then London session is in the morning and New York session is in the afternoon or something, then that means I can't drink because I'll be sleeping.
King, when you go on vacation, we say goodbye to you until you return, okay? And go have some fun. I'm sorry, people, but he needs a break.
Oh,
and
no.
I think we need a break to sleep.
Nope, I'm still gonna trade.
Oh my God.
What? I'm going with my laptop, my iPad, I'm going with it all.
I was trying to have some sympathy, not only for you, but for your soon to be. Yeah?
No,
You know? She wants you up in the bed, cuddled up with her sometimes.
Oh, she want that money too.
Of course, no doubt about that.
She's got her priorities.
If I'm asleep, she'll be like, hey.
You traded?
It's trading time, it's time to get up.
Get out of bed, you know. I would try.
She's a keeper, King. She's a keeper.
King, you're gonna be on the beach with a laptop. Oh no.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be right there.
Guys, secure. They're gonna think you saying shark.
I'm probably not gonna go live, but you know, I'm gonna still trade.
I mean, guys,
You ain't what?
Gold?
No, I'm joking. That was my impression of you.
What's that?
Oh, it was impersonating me.
Oh, okay.
What are you guys smoking? Everyone is smoking.
The British accent. You sound too convincing, like you really mean it.
In one hand, a pina colada.
That was
Second hand. What would he have on his second hand?
His phone.
His weed.
No, his weed, right? And then he would have his laptop open, and you're hearing secure.
That's what I'm saying. Secure,
guys. I moved my stop loss. You have moved
your stop to break even.
First TP. I'm leaving the one to run. Leaving the runner.
Your vacation? How's your vacation?
I took parcels.
Guys, don't forget to secure.
Yeah, joke too much. Yeah, joke too much.
Oh my God.
Kim, we got you over there. We got you. We've been listening.
Yeaton Win said first on. Oh, King, he said you could do the first underwater trading stream.
underwater.
Yeah, you gotta secure the laptop in one of those waterproof things. I don't know. He's making a joke, King.
First of all, we have to get these pips by fire force, you know. The pips have to come.
What's that?
We have to get the pips, no matter if it's underwater or over the the lines are in
on land or in the sky.
in the
King
sky.
probably won't be going near that water.
Oh, sorry.
He's
Hood
just
have
been
been
laying
said-
up on the sand.
You see
Secure,
what Hood,
secure.
Hood have been said, got it. Secure your profits. Let's see those W's.
Goodness, that's a good laughter.
Hey, laughter is good for the soul. Okay. Okay. Trust me, you'll be driving in the car like me now. I'm going to breakfast. I hate going out at that time of the day because traffic is so bad. And I'm pissed off. Then I'm remembering the laughter we had this morning, put a smile on my face. Okay, you could cut me off. It's okay. Go ahead. I had a great morning. But no, I didn't laugh. Oh, no, you're not getting in nowhere. You better know how to drive. If you don't know how to drive to cut me off, you're not coming over.
Oh yeah, I do that too. Especially if you don't ask before you just try to get in, man.
Oh yeah. Don't let me have a bad morning. You is not coming over. Oh my God. One time this guy wanted to get off the exit and rode him all the way down. He could not get off.
Especially if the driver is like driving maybe like a sedan or something smaller than mine. I'll be like, okay,
Yeah.
come over. Let's see you get in here.
I don't care what they got. I do not care. Mind you, I gotta cross over. So I'm like, oh no, I don't care if you got a Ford F-150 or 4x4, whatever. You're not getting over. Because once I lock in on your front wheel, you're not coming over. I'm a very aggressive driver.
Road raging over there.
Oh yeah, bad. I try to listen to me. I try to stay on my 3 days off. I don't even leave the house. I only go to breakfast and come back. And if we're going to dinner or something, my kids drive because they know me.
When I've only got involved in road rage once, and that was when I was living in San Francisco.
Mm-hmm.
So it was at night. Right, I was coming back from the club with my friends, and this dude just cut me off. Right, it wasn't if there was no traffic, no nothing. Once he did that, as soon as he passed me, he just gave me the middle finger. Man, once he gave me that middle finger, I was pissed off as hell.
He was livid.
Man, I was ready to fight. I was ready to do everything. Man, I chased him. When I chased him, as soon as we got to a stop sign, I just went around and just packed. I blocked him. As soon as I blocked him, before I even got out the car, he already got out the car. I looked at his hands, to make sure he doesn't have no gun, nothing.
Right.
Once I saw that he didn't have no weapon or nothing, I got out of the car. As soon as I got out of the car, he was just like, "Oh, hey, dude, I'm sorry, back off. I'm sorry." I'm like, what the hell is going on? This dude was just giving me the middle finger, so you're not tough. So you're not tough. So my friends was like, really? Look at you, look at him. Can't because I was at that time I had nice muscles and everything. So it was like, oh man, one punch from this dude, I'm dead. So I'm not gonna fight him. And since then I was like, you know what, this road rage thing is not worth it. So
it isn't.
You gotta be careful also, you never know.
Oh, now everybody's carrying guns without license. Forget it. Oh, they had their first Memorial Speed, right? That Memorial Days. 11 people got injured on Fort Lauderdale Beach.
And in addition, they're recording everything, so you don't want to get caught up in that drama.
Oh no. Yeah, a lady fingered me the other day. I was like, okay, thank you.
But man, that middle finger stuff till this day,
Oh my God.
it still pisses me
It
off.
does. It does. Like, seriously.
I just, man, I be like, man, hey, you gotta calm down, calm down.
Yeah, there are
Okay.
just some things
It's
that
not that serious.
It's not. It's not.
It's not worth it. It's not worth your life. And
Yeah. Yeah.
what
Now
people
I
can
just
do.
like, I'm not driving.
Yeah,
No, I'm not driving.
people can just
Anytime after 3 p.m.,
yeah.
I'm not on the road. No, I'm sorry. You have the school buses, the kids driving back, everybody coming from. You're crazy. Oh no.
Jacob said, what if he had a gun? Man, I would have drove off. I'm
That's
not
what
gonna
he.
let him,
You got
I'm
checked.
not gonna let him shoot me.
you said you would have ran.
Yeah.
King said he already checked for that. You got checked for that.
Before I got out the car. So if you didn't get out the car first, I wouldn't get out either. Because I have to make sure, man. Here in America, man, a lot of people have guns, so.
Killer Beat said risk management.
That's funny.
The thing is saying he would have ran so fast, it's as if it just never happened.
It's
Kind
really
of like one
off
of
the
those
chain.
DJ moves, you know? It's there and it just never happened, right?
That was a bad move, King.
Oh yeah, that was a bad move. I cut a girl off once in Philly. She pulled over, and I pulled over with her. And as soon as she got out the car, I just sped away and left her there.
You cut your losses fast.
I'm like, what, girl? I'm not gonna fight nobody over because I cut you off. I was being dry. That's it. Like, seriously.
Yeah. I think people are just so stressed in life, so just they snap right and left. You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Very
Now
careful.
I just like, I'm not going outside. Let me just stay inside, trade, and I'm good. I'm go to my little breakfast spot up the road or down the road, and I'm good. That's it. When I go to work, and you see how early I go to work. By 1:30, anytime between 11:30 and 1:30, I'm off. No traffic on the road. I come home smoothly, get in my spot, and I'm good.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
GJ.
GJ.
She's all of them today are just
She and Gold is doing the same thing.
yeah. They're twinning.
A little push up and come right back down.
We're really not doing anything.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Sort
Just
of
ranging.
look the same. King, why again were we still on NAS?
Yep, I'm still in NAS.
So am I. Oh my God.
Yes,
Oh,
but
Lord.
now if I want to, I can move my stop loss a little bit. Maybe put my stop loss somewhere there, because now we've created a support here. If NAS wants to push up, we shouldn't come down and break this support. If we break this support, then we're coming down. So I might as well move my stop loss there.
All right. Beautiful. I like that analogy. Here we go. I'm gonna leave that to run till New York. I'm not even gonna take it now. King, is he Morgan Doug is asking you what indicator do you mostly use when you use one, I guess.
He's asking me what?
What indicator do you use mostly when you use one?
Right now or in the past?
He didn't state. He's just asking a question.
200 SMA right now. If you're talking about now, and if I'm gonna use any indicators to go with my strategy, it's gonna be the 200 SMA.
Okay. Answer your question. Mm-hmm. What time frame? Oh, he's on the 5 minutes. King uses a 5 minute time frame always.
Well, Zoom, we're just gonna wait till New York session here. So I'll see you guys in a few hours.
Okie dokie.
See
Keep the
everybody.
fun going throughout the day, folks. Keep the fun
Over.
going throughout the day.
I'll see you guys later.
Recording stopped.
YouTube, thank you guys for hopping on. All my links is down below in the description. The link to apply for this month's bootcamp is in the description. Discord and the private chat room also down below in the description. Aside from that, thank you guys for hopping on, and God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last stand.